Hi, I'm Gabby Reese, and it's my pleasure to introduce the Total Wave. Before we get started, Shannon and I just want to share with you a couple safe and important things to think about when using the Total Wave. First of all, the basics, getting on and off the machine. You can get on and off from the sides, as you see here, but make sure you watch your head. We've got bars here for support that are really important, but also you've got to really mind your head. So you can get off and on. She's going to now get off the back, which you can equally get on from the front or the back. Again, watching your head, bending over, and take your time. There's no hurry getting off and on the machine. As you can see, the carriage or the sled that we refer to, it does move. This is the great and exciting thing about it, but you've got to be careful. You get on, making sure your feet are on stable, and that it's best to enter somehow to the middle and then opening up. So always make sure you're really balanced. So the basic first move is the wave. So an easy way I like to get people started is actually having someone rock you so that your brain and body get the sensation. Now, as she feels more comfortable, you're going to see that she's actually pressing in the legs. And the sled can go higher and higher. Now, Shannon can either support herself in the front bar, one hand on the side, one on the front, both on the side, and eventually you'll see that there are people who can do this without holding on and off, but we'll get there in a bit. Now, a thing that you'll notice, a very common mistake, let's stop the carriage for a second. People will first get on there, lock out their legs, and kind of rock side to side, okay? It's very normal to think, oh, this is how I'm going to get it going. Again, sliding and stepping into the legs, okay? Now we're going to switch over to the swing machine, which is front and back, okay? So again, how do I get her started? Just get her moving. I'll tell you a secret. Sometimes when you switch from the wave to the swing motion, it does take the brain a moment to get accustomed to changing direction. So now she's using a different part of her muscles. She can hold on to the sides and the front. Now, hold on to the front for a second. As you get the carriage really going behind you, this is great. You get hip flexion and extension, and you can fire your glutes. One thing to be mindful of, though, is lower back compression. So what Shannon's going to do for me, as her legs go behind, her head will actually come forward. So this makes her body very horizontal, keeps the positioning very safe, but be mindful of not lowering the head too far. Okay, so these are some of the basics when using the Total Wave machine. The other exciting thing is you see we have accessories, medicine balls. Shannon does a whole curriculum with stretching. You can work on and off the machine before you get on, after you're done training. We've got dumbbells. So there's a lot of things you can do on this machine that represent what mood you're in, what training day it is, and it's so important too that you are creative. The great thing about this machine is you power it up, no cords, no electricity, you can move it anywhere. Her and I can move this all around the room. That you have fun, you work hard, and you get all the benefits that the Total Wave has to offer.